following question is taken from Element 4, Work Equipment Hazards and Risk Control, and is covered in 4.1. With respect to the safe use of work equipment, employers are required to provide adequate information, instruction and training. Identify 3 categories of employees who should receive information, instruction and training on the safe use of work equipment, and outline the issues that could be included in such information, instruction and training. You have 8 minutes to answer this question, and your time starts now. This question asked you to identify categories of employees who should receive information, instruction and training on the safe use of work equipment and to outline the issues that could be included in it. Your answers should have been structured around types of employees to be given information, instruction and training and the precautions to be included in that information, instruction and training. Let's now look at each of those issues individually. There are various categories of workers who require information, instruction and training on using work equipment safely, and these include new staff who need induction training, existing workers who need refresher training after a suitable period of time or following an accident, existing staff whose work changes, whether that be new equipment or a new workplace, those who carry out maintenance work on work equipment, and vulnerable workers such as young people, disabled staff and new or expectant workers, as well as those who will supervise the work that's being carried out on the work equipment. The issues that need to be included in the information, instruction and training include pre-use checks, for instance ensuring that all guarding and protective measures are in place and working properly before use, start-up procedures including how to ensure that no one is in a danger zone before the machine is started, the limitations on using the equipment to make sure that the equipment is used as the manufacturer intended, emergency measures to be taken including the location and use of the emergency stops and trip guards on the machine, how to isolate the machinery during maintenance or tool changes, and any stop-start procedures that might be needed if the machine does need to be run for testing purposes during maintenance procedures. Using relevant personal protective equipment such as safety boots and safety glasses, the importance of that and why it is needed, and the importance of reporting any defects promptly to management so that changes can be made to the machinery.